Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from Bosco Media Network. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya government decides to appoint an expert agency to look into the alleged leakage of uranium tanks in southwest Khasi Hills district. Immediate reopening of interstate and international border market. Substantiate your allegations with evidence, Mr. Pristone Tinsong. Shillong Khasi Jaintia Church Leaders Forum condemns brutal killing, Morris Marma. And the Sinjuk Kinlongsan Charge Nongka Briu Nyotrep expresses condolences to the bereaved family. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya government today took a number of vital decisions, including appointment of an expert agency to look into the alleged leakage of uranium tank located at Domyasiat in the southwest Khasi Hills district. This was disclosed by Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Pristone Tinsong after the government review meeting. Addressing the media at Yojana Bhavan in the main secretariat in Shillong, Tinsong said that the government's official which gave the report that there was no uranium leakage were not conversant with the subject, and the government has now decided to appoint an expert agency having expertise of the subject to clear all the doubts once and for all.
Stored at Domyasiat. Stored at Domyasiat relating to uranium testing. So we decided today that expert agency will be entrusted to immediately undertake all the details and also to bring back the report to the government.
In view of the prevailing COVID-19 situation, the government has decided to reopen all the border markets and licensed bars across the state.
Is about reopening of bars immediately after the puja. Meaning from 26th of this month onwards, bar can't be reopened. Today in the review meeting we decided again to reopen up the weekly market located in the interstate border as well as in the international border. So today we decided that the weekly market located in these places will be immediately reopened, and this notification order will be given to all the respective deputy commissioners to work out the details along with the SOPs to be in place.
He also informed that the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has approached the Union Home Minister and Union Secretary of the Government of India relating to the arrest of Catholic priest Reverend Father Swami, that justice should be given to him at the earliest.
Of one of our priest Swami, I would like to inform to all of you, our Honorable Chief Minister has taken up this issue with the Honorable Union Home Minister, and also he had a detailed discussion with the Union Home Secretary, Government of India.
On the allegation of the Meghalaya unit of the BJP relating to various illegal activities in the state, Tinsong said the BJP should substantiate its allegation with documentary evidence rather airing the grievance through the media. On the alleged illegal transportation of coal, Tinsong said that all the deputy commissioners have been instructed to take stern action against such irregularities.
The state unit of BJP alleging that illegalities has happened. Number one is in the district councils, and number two is in the entire state of Meghalaya. I would like to inform to all of you, for the information of the citizens of the state, allegation can be made, but if you are responsible party or any responsible person, time and again government used to request those concerned, please come up with facts, please come up with documents, because the platform of going to the press is not at all the solution. So we took a very strong observation on this. We took a very strong observation on this, and once again the MDA government wanted to inform the citizens of the state that from day one itself we took over the government. We are committed to erase in totality if there is any illegalities.
Before ending the press conference, Tensong said the BJP should air its grievances at the proper forum, and the two BJP legislators who are part of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government can withdraw support if they wish to do so.
Because you are also part of the government. You are free to leave. If you are not comfortable, I think you are free to leave the MDA government. I think that is the best way to do. Don't keep criticizing at the same time you want to walk in the MDA. See, what is this here? You get my point?
Shillong Khasi Jaintia Church Leaders Forum has strongly condemned the brutal burying alive of Morris Marngar by his relatives in the village of Nong Disau in West Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, the 7th of October 2020. This is an act of great evil which has debased and degraded the conscience of the whole Khasi community. The SKJCLF exhorted the members of the whole Khasi Panar community not to fall into superstition which leads to the taking of a human life, and at the same time to avoid taking the law into their own hands. The SKJCLF also urged the Khasi community to shun acts against humanity and human existence. The body of the 90-year-old man who was buried alive allegedly by his relatives in Meghalaya's West Khasi Hills district over the suspicion that he practiced witchcraft was exhumed and sent for post-mortem, police said. 8 people have so far been arrested in connection with the killing of Morris Marngar. The body, with hands and legs tied and face covered, was exhumed from a 5 feet deep pit in the Mauleba Maunar village by the state police. Marngar's children had reported to the village authorities about him going missing a day after he was forcibly taken away from his house at Mauleba by his relatives. The matter was reported to the police, and the 3 main accused, Denial, Jailus and Differwell, all of whom are his nephews, were arrested. Few days later, another 5 relatives of the deceased were arrested by the police. Mauleba Maunar Village Council had condemned the gruesome murder. On the 16th of October 2020, the Sanjuk Kinong Sanchar Shnong Kabriu Nyotrep, along with the magistrate of the East Khasi Hills district and the doctors of health and family welfare, went to meet the family members of the deceased to offer their condolences. The particular family residing at Kualapati Block 2 lost their father and mother due to the COVID-19 virus. The father, Mr. Morning Nyangti, aged 80, passed away on the 13th of this month and was laid to rest on the 14th of October 2020. Just one day after the father's demise, that is on the 15th October, the family lost their mother, Mrs. Marilyn Pakantin, aged 74. She was laid to rest on the 16th of this month by the members of the Municipal Board Shillong. The Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, along with the Secretary, Kasinjuk Kinong Sanchar Shnong Kabriu Nyotrep, also provided comfort by clarifying that they mustn't feel discriminated or rejected by the society. The members of the locality are with them through their difficult times, although they weren't able to be present physically, for they were only obeying and following the protocols issued by the Health and Family Welfare regarding the COVID-19 virus.
Ni kum kusong giran no. Ngarang ikran mat iskatri Pakan telah kuih saya kena kelam, nak kena ye, kum kesenang sawat, banyak sangkai, banyak selok, banyak dengan sengaja, yang kasam kejoki. Ini bagi dia melek ni siapa dah tak apa. Dia mentah itu, wat mensuau di kumui pat, wat mensuau ye. Ini don be hal sendak kejoki, tambah banyak rung hai, banyak kerja yang kampat long deh.
Let us have a glimpse of the COVID-19 updates for today. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.